Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Prashil and welcome back to A.T.E. And today we're going to be unboxing the Xiaomi Band 6. So here we have the nice and new shiny box in front of us. And yeah, the packaging is pretty standard from the outside, I guess. It's pretty similar to their previous models. It's just got this nice kind of shiny gloss look to it. But yeah, and I guess the texture is a little bit different. But other than that, it's pretty stock standard. And yeah, you've got the Xiaomi Band 6 in front now, which is... So yeah, in my opinion, I find that the Xiaomi Band series in general is a great cost-effective alternative to the likes of the Fitbit, which you have right now on the market. These are, a fraction of the price. And honestly, they have a lot to offer for the price point. So let's have a look at what some of those features are on the side of the box. If you can just zoom in, you'll see that it's got a 1.56-inch crisp and clear full AMOLED display. You've got the blood oxygen saturation monitoring, which is always good. And you've got stress monitoring and breathing training, which is going to be interesting. And you've got your menstrual cycle data tracking, which is always good as well. And on the other side of the box, we've got here, as you can see, it says you've got up to 30 workout modes, data tracking and automatic workout detection. It is water resistant, up to 50 meters of swimming, stroke recognition. I'm not too sure what that is, but yeah, you've got reliable sleep information recording and you've got magnetic charging here. Yeah, so that's pretty much all the features on the outside of the box. Let's get into the actual device itself. So I've got my trusty knife here and I'm gonna try to place a nice little incision here because I'm a doctor and I know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, wow, okay. Yeah, okay, I really suck at opening boxes. Somehow I managed to take a little bit off the box there, but that's okay. Sacrifices need to be made. All right, let's just pull this tab out here, move these aside, and I'll just slide this out. All right, let's just set this over here, and right off the bat, I can tell it's got quite a chunky manual, actually. Wow, this is crazy. All right, you've got the band here. You've got the charging cable here. And let's have a look at let's see how this works. I guess you can just slide it out from here. And yeah, you've got quite a chunky, I mean, this is a big boy. When you're looking, in terms of a manual, this is definitely a big boy. Yeah, but it's pretty much the exact same thing over in a bunch of different languages. Just how to set it up and how to, scan the QR code and get the app and all of that stuff. But yeah, if you're into that, it's all here in this chunky manual. So let's set that aside and let's have a look at the charging cable, which is actually an updated version over the Xiaomi Band 4. I'm really glad they adopted this from the Xiaomi Band 5, I believe. It's that you've got this little dock kind of thing here, which you can just click on directly into the Xiaomi Band. And so you don't have to actually pop it out. And I'll get into more of that as I open the actual Xiaomi Band itself. Wow, okay. I was almost certain that you could just pull this off, but no, I'm gonna have to rip it off. And yeah, there you have it, the Xiaomi Band 6 in all its glory. You've got the nice glossy screen, which is actually slightly bigger than the previous generation. And you've got this nice kind of matte black rubber textured band, which is always nice. And it just, yeah, feels good. And I guess the size is, pretty decent, I guess. And to reiterate what I was stating earlier, it's just this actual charging cable did not used to look like this back in the day. If you had the Xiaomi Band 4 and anything before it, you actually had to pop this out and there was a big little dock that you got, which you had to slip this in. And every time you wanted to charge your Xiaomi Band, you'd have to actually pull it out. You'd have to actually pull out this little module here, and there was a dock and you had to click it in and then connect it to the power, which I always found to be such a pain. And yeah, this just makes it so much easier because you don't actually have to do what I just did right now. You can actually just leave it in the band, in the case itself, and you can actually just connect it via the magnets over here. So just like that, and it just connects via magnets. And yeah, it's a pretty strong hold. Yeah, it won't accidentally come off. But yeah, I really do enjoy this on the newer Mi Bands that you have, because previously it was quite a pain. And yeah, let's see if I can boot this up and we'll see how it goes. And there you have it. This is the Mi Band on the wrist. And as you can already tell, I've got it set up. And this is the default watch face. And it's quite informative, actually. You've got your date, you've got the weather, you've got the time, you've got my heart rate as well there at the minute. And yeah, I gotta say, it really is quite a nice fit, especially for, you know, someone with a skinny wrist like myself. I don't want a watch face that's a bit too chunky and a bit too bulky, because it would kind of just look out of place. So yeah, I'm happy with the size of it. If you have skinny wrists, just like myself, then yeah, definitely going for a Mi Band, you know, over the more chunkier Samsung smartwatches. I think this is definitely kind of the way to go. And especially the Fitbits, they're actually quite chunky. And just for some referencing, this is actually what I daily drive. This is the G-Shock 5600E, the solar-powered version. This is usually what I just normally use. And on my wrist, as you can probably tell, it's not too big, it's not too chunky. You know, unlike the other G-Shocks, the ones that I think most people are familiar with, they're quite chunky, and you know, I really don't need that. And yeah, I gotta say, the Mi Band 6 is looking quite promising. And yeah, if you are in the market for a Mi Band 6, then this is pretty much what you can expect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my cue to sign off. I'll catch you in the next one.